Kendall. Say, Zoe, do you have any fives?
Five. Yes, I do.
Fives? Okay, say thank you.
This is what I...
Good job. Okay, Kendall. Now say, Zoe, do you have any sixes? Sixes? Kendall, say six.
Six. Go fish.
Oh, we gotta go fish. You know what that means, Kendall? You gotta take a card. Just one. Good job.
Kendall.
Good job. Let's see what it is. Oh, look at that. Okay. Now see Zoe's turn. Zoe's turn.
You got any queens?
Okay, look, Kendall. Give this to Zoe.
Thanks, Kendall. Zoe. Do you got any queens?
Kendall, she said kings. You give that to Zoe?
Thanks, Kendall. Zoe. Do you got any eggs?
Any what?
Eggs.
Say, go fish. Say, go fish.
The bush.
Go fish, Zoe.
Fish.
Alright, bye.
There's your belly. There's it with no belly.
Alright, I took from the little fish pile, so now it's your turn.
Okay. Let's see, Kendall. Say, Zoe, do you have any sevens?
Bye.
Sevens? Can you say seven?
Bye.
Seven.
Seven. No.
Oh, we gotta see if Zoe has any sevens. Do you have any sevens, Zoe?
Go fish.
Oh, okay, go fish. Get a card. What is it? What is it? Oh, don't let Zoe see. It's a good one.
It's a bite. Do you got any threes? Bye, darling.
Got a belly.
She might not have any threes, but she's got a belly.
Bye.
Say, go fish, Zoe. Kendall, say, go fish, Zoe. Go fish, Zoe.
That was funny.